Today I'm going to show you how to do a baby blanket with some flannel. You're going to need a yard of flannel, and this is using a sewing machine. I showed another video, I shared another video where you use a serger, which is super easy and super fast, but I realize a lot of people don't own a serger, and they're quite expensive just to make a baby blanket. So first we're going to remove the salvage edges because we don't want those ugly labels on the end. Okay, next up we're going to, basically what we're going to do to sew this is we're going to fold it over and fold it over again, and then we'll sew it. But the problem with doing that is it's sometimes a little messy. So what I like to do is I like to press it into place. So I've got my small little ironing board here, and you could measure if you like, but I generally just eyeball it. But so you'll start and you'll press it in place. You'll go all the way down. Okay, once you have that done, you'll just start over, but you'll fold it one more time and press it in place. And see how it just kind of lays there, so it'll be much easier to sew than if we just did it like this and like that and tried to sew it and then it'd sit and fall apart as we were sewing. So really one of my best friends while I'm sewing is my iron. Okay, so then we'll just flip it and do the same thing around all the edges. On this side, you'll just kind of fold it up like that. Next, we'll take it over to the sewing machine. Okay, over here on the sewing machine, we've just got our creases, and we'll just sew all the way around the blanket. Okay, as you get to the corner, make sure it's folded up how you want it. Okay, so there you have it, a super easy receiving blanket for a baby. Extra large, it's a full yard. Well, we folded some over, but it's pretty large for bigger babies or for older babies that still like to be swaddled. But there you go. So I'll also be sharing a video for how to make some burp cloths. Super easy as well, so stay tuned.